Manobra. This is our first stop or a tour. First day in Kazakhstan. We call this place is Sharin. Okay, it's a kind of lake, but it's still full of ice around the area. So before we came here inside, there is some payment or information that we need to follow or guide before we go to this place. Beautiful place here inside the Charin. So it's kind of a lake or a brick road. You can see the view, beautiful view, guys. Just watch the beautiful scenery. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe after watching, guys.
Ito pala yung Han. Ingat ka, tignan mo. Nakakatakot, oh. Andito na kami sa Sharin.
Saka ako sa isuso ko.
Ganda. Buti maaraw.
Kaya nga. Pero ang ganda ng ano na yun, no? Parang feeling mo ang liit lang niya, pero
Saan?
kaya pupunta pa pala doon.
Ay, meron pa daw.
Are we still going to the edge? There? Pero kasi yung ano niya, salita niya iba.
Pero hindi